Murugan, we should meet.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, till we meet next. Good luck.
Good luck. Bye. See you.
stop there. Hey, stop there. I told you to stop. I need to tell you something.
Appu, leave me. If someone see it, become a problem.
Before someone sees us, please come with me. I need to tell you something. Come. Hey, come.
Appu, what's this? Leave me. Hey, please.
Tonight, we will go from here. I know everything. If I want, I can take you. And I can marry you and live here itself. But I don't want all this fighting of both the families. That's why I am saying. Tonight, exactly 12 o'clock, when everybody has slept off, you should come out. I will be waiting for you at the bus stand.
Appu? Appu? Appu, how far you are sleeping? Come on, get up. What is this new habit? You don't want to go to office, huh? Ah, you know one thing? Your lovely sister's there now. She is missing from yesterday onwards. There is a talk that she has ran away with someone else.
You don't lie like this.
Lies? That to me. Her mother and brother were shocked and depressed, it seems. Ah, a small suggestion. You better not to go that side now. Because all the ladies will be there only. Ah, and then, that Gopal is there, no? He saw your sister, she was passing that way, it seems. Keep it in your mind, okay? Again, where you are going? Appu! Oh my God! Where she went? To whom I have to go and say all this? God! Oh my God! I don't know how to do now. What the hell situation she has created for us? Oh, it's all my fate. My dear Appu, my daughter has ran away from here. What to do? Oh my God, I don't know what to do, God. No one is there to help us now. Oh God, where I have to search her now. I don't know what to do.
When everybody has slept off, you should come out.
I understood. I will come.
Why you're standing outside itself? Come on, don't hesitate. Come and sit inside.
I came to meet the astrologer.
Was that much important?
That is...
Actually, Nightfully has work. Now only he came and doing puja and all.
I heard that on the way, he had met my girl.
Oh God, so soon everyone know about this, huh?
Please call him out.
Okay, you don't get tense and come and sit here. I'll go inside and send him, okay?
Okay, let me tie my
come
clothes
on, come
properly.
outside. Oh,
Hey, I'm coming now.
I'm
Wait,
asking you
wait,
to
wait.
go outside, no?
Hey, don't push me.
Hmm.
Oh,
I hope I didn't disturb you.
no. As soon as I was told that you came, I just woke up so fast. Is it not? If you tell me the reason why you came, I shall tell you the solution to the problem.
To answer me, you don't need to do all that.
Oh God, he will not be able to remember anything. He came to ask about her sister only.
Is it not?
Hmm.
Oh, I remember now. You came to speak about Tanga, right? Am I correct?
I'll go and change my dress and come.
In my divine vision, what I see is midnight, sometime around 12 and 12:45 a.m. when I subdued the evil spirit of this village, and on my way back, exactly under the tree where our Pangi suicided and died, one lady was walking and coming. Oh my divine lord of the jungle. Who is that? Oh, is it not our Tanga? Tanga, why are you at this wee hour? Is it not really Tanga? 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 Don't you speak or what? Is it not Tanga or what? Oh my God.
That's all happened.
But after 1 minute, there was a question which arose in my mind.
And then did you ask?
Before that, I ran. She went away. Na?
There was nobody else.
I only saw her.
"100 years for you, dear.
What is the reason, mother?
Just now I was asking about you.
Oh. Hi. Hello. So cute. Hey, naughty boy. How are you? So cute. Chubby cheeks. So cute of you. What's your name?
Hey, 1 second. Just hold her for a
Sure.
while. I'll go and make a list of the
Yeah.
things. Did you settle the payment for the wood which was cut yesterday?
Since there is balance money I need to get, I could give only half.
In this matter, you have to praise your father. Never he will give for borrowing to anyone. He will not like all these things. Because of him only our family is steady now.
All that has changed now. You think I am not doing anything? And times have changed a lot. If we don't give them, then they will ask from someone else. So then, you can leave this to me. From now onwards, I don't want to do business with him.
I just remembered you.
Okay, Mom, I'm leaving.
Okay. Look here.
Yes.
Just clean everything, okay?
Sure.
Why are you staring like this?
I forgot to take the keys.
That is not new for you, no? Here, this one only, no?
How do I forget all the time? Bye.
Okay, Tange, give that baby now. She has slept. Oh, so sweet, my dear darling. So soon you have slept. Okay. Come. What, Appu? Why you're not eating anything? Appu? Dear, why you're doing like this? Just have something and go. Appu! What happened, Mom? It will not be good if we leave him like this. I too was thinking the same thing.
Appu sir, you have not given me Madhav and Unitan's account yet.
We can look into it tomorrow.
Oh no, we cannot do that. Tomorrow morning his cashier will come here. Not only that, we have to go and meet the labor officer tomorrow.
Please don't ask me to do for a few days. I need some peace of mind.
I notice some issue is annoying you. If you go on like this...
If it goes like this, we'll have to shut down, right?
No, I didn't mean that.
I don't know what you were saying, but I need some peace of mind. 24/7, I am thinking only about the company.
No, I am not saying anything. You just take some rest. Everything will be alright.
Hey Vasu,
Hey. Hi, bro.
where is Murugeshan?
He's gone out. He is not yet reached till now.
Shit. Why is it taking so much time?
My dear bro, did you get any news about your daughter?
We have searched all the places, Vasu. We searched at the rivers too.
What happened to this girl?
Bad time. What else to say? I have never hurt my daughter till this day. But she ditched me.
Bro, when Murugan bro comes here, what will you answer him? You had informed that you will give your daughter to Murugeshan and not to marry her. Don't you remember? Bro, since there is no any news, it is better you can inform the police department.
Should I do that?
Yes, bro. You have collected money from Murugeshan bro. Now, if anything bad happens, both Murugeshan bro and the people of this place will ask you, why did you not inform the police department?
Vasu,
Yeah, same way, will you shut your mouth that day also, bro? So, it's better you inform the police department. Otherwise, you will have to face the consequences. Please think about it. Okay?
What, sir?
This is the house, right?
Yeah.
You are Appu's mother.
Yes.
Your house's maid was gone, right?
Oh, no, sir. Actually, she used to help me in the kitchen. Not even once I have thought her as a servant at all.
We need to ask you some questions about her.
Please, come inside and sit.
Hmm.
Please.
Who is this?
She's my daughter, Rukmini. Her husband is working in the city in one company.
How is your servant?
Actually, she was brought up from here only.
Hmm.
She is as a daughter for me. What you're seeing there? You want to play with them?
Mm-hmm.
What is your name?
Tangamani.
Tangamani. Where is your house?
Here only.
Oh. Did you eat anything? Come here. We'll eat something. Appu,
Mother? What, Mom?
you go and bring that girl here
For what?
to eat lunch only.
Oh, okay. Come with me, we'll have coffee. I don't want. Don't tell like that. You should listen to Mother. Come. I don't want. Come on. Huh?
In our company, we have the same type of food every day. This food is very delicious for me. I'm really enjoying it.
If you take Rukmini with you means you can eat the same thing daily, no?
I am also concerned about that. After getting my next increment, I will definitely take her to my place. Right? Mom, you know well. She
Yeah,
thinks
give me
that staying in the quarters is very comfortable. We will not have any privacy there.
Then how others are living there?
Those people are coming from a joint family, dear. Even if it is one room, they just want to stay away from their joint family and have a private life. Don't you think she's very comfortable here? Pure water, pure air,
Yeah.
nice climate, and very fresh and rich protein vegetables too. What does she require more to have a happy life?
Wherever the husband means, their only wife also must be there.
You are waiting for a very long time, dear. Stay for some more time too. You should always have patience. I have found a very good house to stay for us. We will shift once I get the increment. Don't laugh.
you laughing,
This time
Mummy?
I'm very serious about that. I will definitely take her. Why are you remaining silent?
Sister is saying valid point only, brother. How many days she can be here without you?
Ask like this, Tange.
Hmm. So you both have joined one group, right? This is the habit of women. If one woman has a problem, immediately she'll get the support from another woman.
No, I didn't say you not to eat now, no.
No, I don't want anymore. I am going on a diet now. You do one thing. Get me 2 glasses of sweet porridge.
Oh my god.
If there is any balance, I will have
go,
it at
take
night.
this and go. Okay, let him come. You sit and eat in this leaf itself. Okay,
Sister.
mommy.
You will get rare opportunity like this. Please have your food, sister.
Tange,
Huh?
you also come and sit. I'll serve
No,
you.
mother, I will have later.
Who are you asking? She goes in the kitchen and keeps every vessel together and then takes from that and only then she'll eat. Everybody knows that.
No, Apu, this is too much.
Yeah, I need some of that. From the time she is missing, lot of people are saying lot of things. Until we find the right reason, we will have to come again and again. Where were you saying his mill is?
All used to say that it's nearby our farm only.
I know it, sir. Actually, there is nothing to worry. The sub-inspector is new, right? He's just excited. After some time, the issue will subside. You don't worry at all. Everything I'll take care of.
If Appu is silent in this matter, Miss will be good. I don't know what are all the problems we are going to face, father. I'm already scared. Please don't talk like this. Yeah, coming.
You don't have to keep looking like this. Why did you come?
Actually, I want to tell you something.
Tell me.
You see, I want to.
Apu sir, that bullock cart people have come. Can we go ahead and load all the materials?
Who all have come?
That Ausab and Amsa.
You have to count everything and give. And you have to account for it also. I don't really believe that guy, okay?
Okay.
Oh.
You see, I want to tell you something.
That's what I asked you to tell.
You see, it's actually very secret.
What is the secret you want to tell?
That is, I want to.
Arun Kumar.
Where are you going? Tell me what is the matter.
Dear, Madhavan sir has asked all the payment details immediately.
Hey, stop there. I have written everything in this. Please sit here and check, alright?
Okay.
Hey, stop there. Hey, where are you going? Stop there, I keep telling you.
I can't even share a secret with you there.
It's such a big secret. Then you should have told me earlier. Yeah, now tell me. What is it?
I'll tell on your ear.
It's that big a secret?
That is.
Yeah, tell me.
That is. I want a night saree from you, dear.
That is the secret.
What, Apu? When you go to the market, can you buy one?
It is suitable for you, no? I will buy. Hey, you didn't tell me the size.
Oh my god, I forgot.
If you want, I can measure it myself. Are you sure this is enough?
Hey, you naughty boy.
Whatever order we give, will you do it correctly? If Apu takes an order, he does it correctly. This is actually our first deal. We shall see.
You can believe in me 100%.
Trust. That is life.
Lunch.
You want me to sit here and eat?
Okay, Apu. We'll come again.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay, we'll come. Sir, you don't have to worry about anything. They are very trustworthy people only. Sir, are we going home or...
Why did that guy come to your house?
To see me.
What for?
Appu, how do I know about that? People who like me, they'll come and see me. What's your problem?
You have to tell me why he came to your house.
Maybe he wanted to marry me.
And then what did you tell?
I said I think about that. Appu, what's this? Please come and have the food.
I don't want your food. You can give it to someone.
Appu, better have your food.
I'm telling you, I don't want.
Appu, it's your Tanga saying you come and have the food. I was just joking with you. Come, Appu.
No, I'm not coming.
You are my sweetheart, Appu. You will not listen to my words, Appu?
Are you saying the truth?
Of course. Other than you, whom I will call like that?
Promise me.
Promise.
Vasu!
Yeah? What, bro?
Where is your boss?
Which master?
You don't know whom I'm talking about.
Master, he has gone to see his relatives.
Did he go alone? Or else?
Yeah, he's gone alone. And next time he will marry Tanga and meet his relatives.
Who told you that they are going to get married?
No, bro, I did not tell. Tanga's father and master, when they were having a drink together, they had discussed.
When did they tell you they'll go?
Actually, after 1 week.
And they haven't come here yet.
He will definitely come here. Where else will he go?
If he comes here, you should let me know, okay?
Oh, okay.
Did you tell me all the truth?
Promise. I swear on my mother, bro. Believe me.
But if I come to know that what you told me were all lies, then I will make sure that I break this hand of yours also, alright?
Yeah.
Drink it.
Hey, I don't want all this right now.
Where from?
Near to that space.
Chirida's house.
Yeah.
Oh, Chirida's stuff is very good. If you drink, you won't stop. Super. You take one. It's good for the body.
I don't want
Don't
this.
you want? In that case, can I take one more? Super. It is like an explosion inside. Gulu 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 gulu. How many colors? Now tell me, what do you want to know?
I want to know about that boss. What did you know about him?
What do you want to actually know about him?
Whatever you know about him, I also want to know.
Is that all? So before I say that, I have to take one more of this stuff and only then it will become clear. If I have to tell you about him. Pilla's daughter Tanga is in his mind. I understood. For that he came to me.
And then?
Astrologer! Hey, astrologer! Just stop! I said stop! Astrologer, I definitely want her. I don't think it is possible in a normal way. You have to try some other way to get her.
You should not think of crooked ways, son.
Then please tell me some other solution.
You want to take him for a ride? I'll say. But before that, do you have anything to light up your brain?
As of now, I've got only this much.
This is divine. Don't play with it. Talisman for attraction. Without anyone's knowledge, you should tie it in Tanka's waist. On the 4th day, she will be with you. Show your hands. Go and tie it. Go.
But if she doesn't collect it from me,
Use your brain, Murugans. The Divine Lord will be always with you. God bless you.
Why are you laughing for it?
But Murugan's experiment failed.
sister. Nobody's here. Sister. What, sister? Is everything okay?
Muruga?
What, sister? Are you okay?
Actually, she refused to tie. I thought not to hurt you. That's why I myself tied. Muruga, come.
What, sister? Huh?
Come on, Muruga.
Sister,
come.
sister, please leave
Come,
me.
I'm saying,
sister, sister,
come,
please
get
leave me.
inside.
Sister, let me tell
Just
you, sister,
listen
please
to
leave
me.
me.
Come
No,
on.
I will not
Just
come.
once come.
Sister,
Get
no,
inside.
please
Come
leave
on,
me. No,
Muruga.
please, I will not
Hey,
come. Please
listen
leave me.
to me.
I
I'm
said leave
saying
me.
you only. Hey. Go, naughty Muruga.
Oh no.
Muruga. Wow. You alone going to drink fully? Come, give
Very
me this.
little.
Go into the kitchen and look after the work. What a type of man he is. Huh. What Appu want to know?
That I'll tell him.
About Murugan only you want to know, na?
Yeah.
Murugan is not like that as he said. He is a great gentleman. I have never seen a brave man like him, you know.
Oh, Divine Lord of Astrology, please help me do my research of finding a girl for this fellow. The god of snake is actually looking at you from a very distant position. Let's see if there is any remedy. Here it is. Hello, you. You are not supposed to do something else which you are not supposed to do. Concentrate on this moment. Are you looking here or should I make you to look here? If I make you look, you will be in trouble. You have a new company now. Joining or what? But you have to call Shukran also. Let's call and see. There is a remedy. Will this fellow go inside? Difficult to get him outside. Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio 23.
Astrologer, can I have some water to drink?
Hello, Nani.
No, don't bother. I will go and take.
Only if you are thirsty will you want to quench your thirst. Go ahead, go ahead. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Oh, you are here also. Forgive me, forgive me. Ow, ow. Oh, the bead.
Can I have some water, please?
He was just like a tiger, Appu.
Did he have anything with...
Oh, then Appu has come only for that, huh?
Yeah, I need to know that.
Come on, Tange. What is the use of knowing about that? If I want to run the family means I also go out and work.
You could have told these things directly to him, sister.
Well, as soon I say, will he go for work now?
What, sister?
What a man you are. You told you'll come soon, still now you're not back.
I hope everything is alright.
If I say one thing means...
When did this beautiful rabbit join with you?
I'm not a rabbit, okay?
Yeah, now I understood after hearing your good speech.
Look, Muruga,
Yeah.
as you're behaving with me, don't behave with her. She is very strict.
I know how to handle strict girls, sister.
Look, Muruga,
Yeah?
let it go smoothly like this, okay?
Oh yes, why not? Please, you can carry on. Carry on.
This Murugan is there, no?
Very often we'll be meeting again, okay? I want to enjoy that fruit with you. I really want to taste it. Such a delicious fruit. Oh, really tasty.
Get lost.
What else did you come to know?
Actually, Tanga is very impressed with him, I hope. That is what I'm thinking. If you keep on asking like this, means what I have to say now? She is a fraud girl. Why are you believing her?
If you talk like this again about her, then I don't know what I'll do. I will...
Hey,
don't
stop
run!
there!
Hey,
stop there!
don't run!
I said stop!
Stop there!
Hey,
Don't do anything.
hey,
Leave me.
Where is he?
He left from here 1 week before.
Do you know where he is?
Don't know, sir.
Tell me properly.
He's got one
Ah.
old grandmother. He told me that he is going to see that grandmother.
Did he tell when he'll come?
Marriage date is nearing, so he will come very soon.
Marriage?
Yeah,
With whom?
that Pillai bro's daughter Tanga.
Who? The Tango is missing.
Yeah, the same girl.
How was Pilla and Murugan?
Actually, they were very close with each other, sir. Sir, I'm an illiterate person. I don't know anything much. Little I know.
Tell me.
Actually, my master Murugeshan bro always was at Pillai bro's house.
Come on, bro, have this. This was made out of pure cashew, you know that? It's really strong. I did this specially for my bro. You too have a peg, dear. It is very good for health.
Oh no.
Have it.
Super. Very tasty. Pour one more peg.
No. You should always have a gap between two pegs. Take some more time to have one.
Give for me
Will you
also.
please shut up? In this stage, if you have, your kidney will be affected, my dear.
You don't need to say anything. Don't talk unnecessarily, okay?
It's okay, sister. He's just a
You
kid.
first go from here. Hey, go. Get inside.
No,
Go.
please don't beat him, sister.
Let him cry like this. He's talking too much.
Does usually Tanga come very late?
No. Might be today late.
Oh.
You don't have to wait for her. Take that fried fish, dear. Muruga, I have an idea. It's too late today, so you need not go anywhere. You stay here tonight. Tomorrow morning you can go.
Come on, bro. Have one more. Take it.
Have Muruga. Come
I'll
on,
have later. You have it now. Okay, where is your son?
He is inside.
All right.
Hey,
Mm.
give me some water to wash my hand.
Mm. Have it.
Good night.
Good night.
Good evening. Good evening.
I really got scared. What are you doing here?
I just came here to give a gift to your father and I was waiting for you to.
So what?
Dad told me to wait here and see you and have dinner also.
Had your dinner, right?
How can I have dinner without you, Tanga?
Why are you waiting for me?
What, Tanga? You don't have any affection on me.
I don't want anybody's affection. Just get lost.
Tanga, all of them at home have already slept. In this beautiful night, only we both are here now. I have a wish for a very long time, Tanga.
I told you to leave this place.
My heart is really waiting for you, Tanga. Just one night alone. Come on, let's. Come on.
Just leave me. Just leave me.
Muthu,
Yes, sir.
take all this waste and just put it that side.
Okay, sir.
Please try to fry the fish soon. Eh?
Hey, useless fellow.
He calls everyone like this.
Get me 2 bottles of stuff.
Stuff? What stuff?
Country Iraq. What else?
Country Iraq. I don't sell anything here.
You dumb. Here only we'll get. That's what the other guy said,
Yeah,
right?
they said it is right here.
Then what are you looking at? You take it, you dumbo.
Dumbo?
Driver's tempo. Let me ask you. Your name is Murugan, right?
Yeah.
Then why are you getting so confused and tensed? Didn't you understand? Don't you know the driver of Shaktan lorry, Arapai?
Yeah, I know.
That fellow only actually sent us here.
Oh, I'm sorry. You could have told this before.
My dear friend, my name is Paul. The stupid villagers actually call me. How do they call me?
They always call you like that.
In the main town, in behind St. Matthew's Church's compound is my house. We were talking about this guy, Rapai. I am a very close friend of his. Our relation is like the clutch and the gear. When he applies, I release.
Yeah, now I can get you. You gave me a shock, you know.
Hey, without a relation of that sort, we will not be coming here, right? Is it not?
That is right.
Please wait there. I will bring it immediately.
Why is he talking as if he's talking to beggars? Hi, this place is awesome, na? What an exquisite natural beauty.
Who is that? You know her?
Your grandfather's sister. Hey, Dumbo, you should have studied properly in school rather than jumping and playing around like this. You know that?
But I didn't do like that.
After all, what the hell did you become? This exquisite.
How?
Just come here. Yeah. How is it?
It is right. It is a very beautiful place.
How is it?
A very beautiful place.
Just move and stand from here. I actually need some place when I'm going to vacuum with my slippers. Only then you will get it on your right.
Don't throw
Mr.
that.
Paul, please come.
Okay, I got to go now. You play with some stones here, okay?
Come, sit down.
Awesome chair.
Hmm.
Got to check this stuff, right? Stuff is really superb. I'll have more of this, I guess.
But I think it won't go.
Can you stop your bloody negative phrases? Now, do you have anything for me to eat?
Let me see whether the fish is ready.
What, man? You want to go to the restroom or what?
If you insist, then I will also come.
Hello, man.
Yes.
It is just not the nature here that is gorgeous, even the people too. Which is this monument?
I will go and ask.
I'll let you know.
Appu, my son, get up. Oh God, what happened to you? Get up. Why did you sleep here, my son? When did you come? You made a call me, no? Appu, my son, Appu. What happened, Mom? I don't know what is going to happen to him. Oh my God, please help him. Mummy, say what is the matter? When did he come to home, Mom? When I opened the door, he was lying on the floor. We should not leave him as it is. We have to do something for that. Mummy, please don't worry. To change his character, I know what to do well with him. Oh my God.
I'm sure you became afraid. If I want, I can misbehave with you now. In this forest, I will drag you and I can do it if I want, till I'm satisfied. But I will not do that because I love you so much, Tanga. I want to handle you just like a beautiful flower in my hand.
Give me the way.
Otherwise,
Do you remember that night?
Don't try to be smart with me, okay? This hand should be used only to play with my body, okay? But that should happen only after marriage. That's my wish. So let me tell you, behave properly with me like a good girl. Just listen to me, okay?
Shit.
Give me that.
The stuff is really good. Buddy, we have to really enjoy today.
What, Apu? You've come this way.
What is there to drink?
Give him.
You know what will be here to drink?
Huh. Then give me one glass.
A drink?
If you touch Tanga again once more, then I will kill you. Remember that. I won't leave you.
Oh, so that's the matter. When this boy tried to play with the life of a poor girl, I tried to object it. So he's taking revenge on me now. Did you see how he behaved with me now? He will not get. I will not allow him to get her. As long as I'm alive, I will marry her. I will take care of her. He will just wander like a barbarian in the streets. You people are going to see that.
Do you think he will marry that girl? He will just enjoy with her, that's it. I have seen lot of cases like this.
I will put an end to his life. I'm sure about that.
You should have given him nicely. What does he think of himself? Bloody hero or what? Buddy got a wonderful opportunity. Shit, you missed the chance, my dear friend.
I will not live. I will not live, the son of a bitch. You have to be with me at any cost.
Yeah.
I will pay you for that.
Yes,
Yeah,
come,
that's
come.
what I want. Come. Hey. Hey, you son of a bitch. Open the gate. I said open
Come
the
here.
gate.
Oh, son,
Hey,
come on, man.
open the gate.
Hey, you.
You
I said
coward.
come
Oh,
out.
bloody-
Hey,
Open the gate.
Come out.
You
Come
coward.
on.
Come
Hey.
out.
Hey, bloody
I
fool.
said
Why are you
open the
waiting?
gate. You coward.
Come out.
Hey.
You are going to see my true
Uncle,
face.
yes.
Hey,
Yes.
open the gate, man.
Come out.
Hey,
Listen to
I
my
said
buddy.
open the gate.
Come out.
Hey,
Hey.
I'm not afraid of anybody. You guys can go. Get lost. Come out, you son of a bitch. Hey, I said come out, man. Hey, why are you staring at me? Come out. Hey, you coward.
Who is that?
Hey, you don't know about
Who
me.
is there?
I will see the end of your life, okay?
Oh my god.
Hey!
What, hey? You tried to give respect. You bloody come out first, bugger.
Hey!
No, Apu, where are you going?
You hear what he told about our father?
Not the people who have died. I will abuse even the people who are living here. Come out, you bloody dog.
Apu, he's mad guy. He's just shouting like anything. Don't go there.
I am not mad, he is mad.
Woo! Woo! Your father is mad, your mother is mad, your entire family is mad. Yeah!
Don't
Hey.
go, my dear son. Apu,
I'm
don't
telling
go.
you, leave me.
Apu, I'm saying.
I
Listen
need to
to
kill
Mom.
him.
Oh lady, tell your son to keep his mouth shut, okay?
Hey.
He's trying to play with the life of poor girls. I will not allow that. I will see the end of him. Just make him understand.
Apu,
If
no.
I come there, I'll kill you.
Come, you bloody coward. I will tear you into pieces.
Shut up, you.
You call me rascal. Do you think that I cannot call you back, you bloody? You
Leave
are a
me.
rascal. 100, 1,000, 10,000.
No, listen to me.
Rascal. Hey,
Just leave
just
him.
don't show up that. If you're a boy, just come to me. Come on, come on.
Don't go,
Come on,
Apu.
you son of a
Apu, get
bitch.
inside.
Come here.
Apu,
Just
come
come.
on. Get inside,
Don't
I said,
shout.
no?
Get lost. Go inside. Hey, the next time when we'll meet, I will show you what is my actual power, man. Until then, just stay at your home like a girl. Come outside, your body will be cut into pieces. Hey, lady, just make him understand, okay?
Murugan bro, excellent. You have done a very good job. You have to do like that.
Yeah, I know what to do. You guys can go from here. When you guys saw him, you left this place immediately, you cowards.
My dear friend, these people belong to a very big family. If something happens, you will leave the place and we'll get into trouble. You know that? We are from a poor family.
We are all very poor people, Murugan. That's why we left from here.
It's all right. Murugan will not change his word at all.
Okay.
Come, I'll give you pegs for you.
Thank you.
Today is a very good day for me.
Ah.
So let's celebrate it together.
Yeah, come, let's
Come
go.
on. Hey, leave him. I will not leave you. I will not leave you, son of a bitch. I'll kill you. Come here, man. Hey, I will not leave you. Bloody, I'll kill you. Hey, come this way. See you, man.
Hey, sweetheart. Hey, baby.
Just like her
So
mother she is.
sweet.
Isn't it, Rukmini?
Look at me.
My dear.
Look here.
My
I'm
dear,
here,
look
I'm
at
here.
me. Playing
Who
cute,
is that?
Come
Look
on,
me.
sing.
Hit me.
Was your travel okay?
It was very fine.
Uncle and auntie are fine, right?
Hmm.
I'll go and change my dress.
Ah.
Okay, dear, you have come to home long back. So do one thing. Keep your bag inside and come to eat, okay? Give the baby here. Come,
One
come,
minute,
come,
Mom.
come.
I'll just go to Appu room and I'll come back.
Mm. Mm.
Hi, Appu.
Yeah. What happened?
Did you expect that I'll come today?
No.
Your mom did not tell anything?
No.
No, I don't believe.
Huh. Why would I tell you?
Okay, fine. Since your mother and sister called me, so I came today.
They don't have to call you for you to come here.
That's right. But if they call me and I'll come, it's pride for me.
Yeah, that's right. Earlier you used to come here on your vacations. But now you have become a really big girl, that's why.
Don't pull me, Appu. Always joking with me. Have it.
What is this?
Open and see.
This is nice. How long did you take?
I won't tell you.
Maximum 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
How many?
Dear?
Huh? Dear, I'll tell you later. Mom.
Oh. Murugan's? Is nobody here or what?
Hey, I think someone will be there.
Let me just go to the other side.
Where are you going?
You're coming or what? Huh? You do one thing. You just go and sit there. I'll just go the other way around and check and come.
It's okay to go and check, but don't get into fight.
First you shut your mouth and don't talk negative. Let me just see. Don't make noise and alert everyone.
No.
I will break your bloody head with this stone. I told you several times not to make noise. I'll kill you otherwise.
Yeah.
Just listen to what I say.
Now you can go.
Otherwise I will...
He would have killed me. now.
Murugan's. Oh my god, it would have poked my eyes.
Who are you?
I mean, it's me. This, I just wanted to see what you're cooking. Your mutton curry has got the aroma of a chicken curry.
You will know curry's aroma when I bring it to you. Stop it. Just leave the place immediately.
Right. So I'll go to the front, right? Then where is Murugan's?
At Parni.
Then where is Muthu?
He's gone.
Oh, my patron Saint Anthony. I just spoke to him yesterday.
He gone to the shop.
Actually speaking, there is nobody here, right?
Huh?
Which means I should not touch you. Got a feeling of high tension cable. Why the hell are you laughing like this? What happened? Your father died or what? My doubt is that you are sitting here and that's the reason she is not talking to me. Can you please get out from here? If you want, I can buy you one bottle of drink also.
Are you sure?
It's like mad dogs running around that piece of meat. Can you please leave this place, my dear?
Oh, you will get something from here.
Oh, as if you protect me all the time. How obedient a boy you are. There will be hardly anyone like you. Hooligans. Hello? Can you please open the door? Hey, I just need a bottle of drink.
Without Murugan permission, I won't give the bottle.
Why are you behaving like this? We are all of the similar trade only, right? Is it right to behave like this?
Okay, what should I do now?
We can simply sit and do some chatting like this.
I have a lot of the work to be done in the kitchen. Whatever you have to talk, just talk alone.
Hey! If I speak alone, people will say I'm mad. Why is this lady so violent? Oh, my dear mom.
You know, I have an idea for you to go inside.
I have seen so many like this before also. We have just started only, right? The dying goat will do many crazy things. Let me just refresh myself first.
Oh.
Bro, are you waiting here for a long
Just
time?
move from here, man. Where the hell were you all this while?
You didn't get any stuff? You could have asked my wife Tanga, bro.
Hey, in places where the ladies are alone, is it not indecent for decent people like us to go and ask?
Yeah, that's right.
What indecent? This is just like your own house, bro.
Shouldn't you say that before?
Just wait here. I'll bring it immediately.
Huh? Sit here or what? I thought he'll be calling me inside. Did you see my dealing now?
You are a genius.
Now both of us are friends and buddies, friends and buddies.
Wow.
Didn't you see Paul Brothers come here?
Yes, I know.
Then why did you not give anything to them? Paul Bros giving us very good business, you know that? Don't forget that. Do one thing. Bring that fish curry and fish fry and some pickles also for us soon. Come on, have bro. Come on.
Ha! It's a real awesome stuff you have made. You know one thing? There is no point you carrying out like this in a small scale way. Haven't you seen these big businessmen working?
I've heard, bro. I've heard a lot about them.
Then this year, for our local carnival, we are going to sell this in crates. I'll just carry it in my truck and sell everything there. Then you will see a huge windfall of money. Oh my god, I can't imagine.
Oh, what a god.
Are you sure?
True, wait and watch.
But that will be very expensive business, bro.
Why did you say like that? You need some money to settle. For that, how much ever you want, I'll spend.
I'm afraid I will get into trouble, bro.
You just don't worry. For this deal, we both are partners. Both of us are decent. You are also decent, I am also decent. Is it agreeable for you?
Why not? 10% I'm agreeing to it.
Hey dude, just pay him the advance. Where are you touching actually?
Oh, you have folded it and kept.
Do you know what currency is that? Just hand it over to him.
Yeah.
In addition to this, to serve water and to serve delicacies, if your wife is there, then the carnival will become a feast.
I don't know whether she'll allow for that, bro.
She will. Or else you should make her agree. If she simply serves water, you will earn in lakhs. All the drunkards will make you a big businessman. For the next carnival when you go, then who is this guy?
Ah,
A rich businessman. Did you get me? What's up? Aren't you satisfied now?
Yeah, satisfied.
Ah.
I'll just show this to my wife and come.
Please go and show her. Show her. Show her, okay? Now, how is my this dealing?
it was great. It was wonderful.
Who you?
No, you.
Please have this, sweetheart. Drink it.
Oh.
Ah. Your intestines will burn off, you fool.
Auntie, sister, I'm going for a movie, okay? After coming, I'll tell you the entire story. Okay?
Okay, fine. By putting small frogs, she used to just run and play in this house, no? It is just like yesterday has happened. Really, now I'm very happy. Me too, Mom.
Auntie? Auntie?
What, dear?
Where is Appu?
He might have gone out.
Oh, he did not say anything. Hey, Appu. Hey, Appu, stop there. I'll come. Hey, Appu. Hey, Appu. Hey, Appu, stop. Appu? 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 Hey, Appu. Oh. Hey, Appu, I have called you several times. Why didn't you take your bike?
That's because I'm not feeling well today.
Oh, what happened? Are you having fever?
Hey, nothing like that.
You could have told me before, Appu. I would have sit at home itself, dear.
Sorry, Sridevi.
Hey, don't tell sorry for this. Since we already started now, we both will spend some time together and we'll go back, okay? Come, dear. Come, Appu.
What kind of a life I'm living, my Lord? Why should I suffer? Hey, what is this? I'm not able to see anything. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, who's that? Sweetheart. Sweetie. Open the door. Sweetie, open the door. It's me, your husband.
I'm having my bath.
Sweetie.
I'll finish my bath and come. Are you feeling hungry?
Yeah, I'm really feeling hungry. You have your bath. Then I will have my food. Sweetie, there was a big crowd in the city. All products prices are increased like anything. I don't think in the coming days with a small business I can manage everything. Ah, sweetie, I've got some dresses for you. Just see that. It is very suitable for you.
Huh?
You're my girl. Don't forget that.
Have your food.
I will not give you to anybody.
What's this? I'll serve the dinner.
Just wait. Let me relax with you. Come on. Come, sweetie. Come on. Love you, darling. I love you, darling.
Appu.
Sweetie.
Who's.
What happened? What, Appu? What happened? What, dear? Why are you staring like this? Huh? Hey, Appu. What's this? This is not right. Hey, please. Hey, Appu. No.
Hey,
Hmm.
Murugan's.
Mm.
Murugan's. Hey,
Uh.
hello, bro. Get me 2 packets of BD. Yearning to smoke for a long while. Here, take this.
Where are we now?
Oh, huh? You dozed off very well, huh? I am here sitting and driving in this cold. Okay, go ahead.
Uh, 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 mm.
Tangam, after seeing you, I just can't sleep peacefully. Unable to eat too. Tangams, I have decided you so much. Just once. Only for once. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Nobody's going to see.
Leave me.
Come. You come here.
Why are you sitting here? Sit that side. It's very cold. Just get in.
No, I'll sit that side.
Sit that side. Listen to me.
Why can't you understand?
What happened, bro?
God knows what happened.
Can't you just
Come
listen
on.
to me?
Little more. Yeah.
Appu. My dear can't digest this, Apu.
Now tell me, why are you crying like this?
I told you what had happened.
What is wrong if he just touches you? Have you lost your virginity or what?
Are you not ashamed to say this?
Hey, you should be ashamed for what you have done in your life. I know whatever has happened between you and that boy. That did not happen here.
Mind your language, okay?
Don't just try to act that you're a pure girl. I know what physical enjoyment you guys had during your love days, okay?
Don't talk anything bad about Apu.
Oh, is that so? When I'm putting a blame on your boyfriend it is hurting you, I'm taking off you. Just remember that. For my business improvement, you will have to adjust for everything.
Shit! You bloody dog!
Once more, if your hand touches my body, I will break that hand into pieces. You have never seen the true face of mine. When I tell you to remove your clothes, you should do it. Otherwise, with my hand itself, I will put an end to your life. Remember, I'll kill your bloody bitch. Just remember, bitch.
Apu. My dear.
Actually, Tanga is very impressed with him, I hope. She is a fraud girl. She used to impress everyone, you know.
Both Pillai bro and my master have discussed and finalized everything, you know.
I am afraid that they may increase the increment and reduce the bonus. What, Murugan, you're here? I just came here to meet one of my old friend. How is your business? With your blessings going on well, sir. Good. Shall I? Yeah. This time everybody are willing that I should contest for the union secretary election.
Those who like me will come and see me. What is your problem?
My strong suspicion is that she had some deep relationship with somebody there. She might have eloped away with someone of those guys. If not that, they might have used her up and then thrown her into some well.
Arun, accept this wholeheartedly.
This much money?
Accept the money, my dear friend. This is just a token of appreciation for your hard work.
Hey, this much money is too much.
Arun, this is just for the work you have done. Nothing extra. Please have this. You should listen to good people. Accept this.
Okay.
All our further business, we can talk over by phone.
Okay then.
Okay, Mr. Arun. See you later.
Okay.
We are moving. Okay. I'm
Bye.
also leaving. Good morning, buddy.
Good morning.
Arun Kumar,
Yeah.
the postman gave this.
Yeah. Just read that.
My dear Apu, this is your Tanga writing to you.
How could you talk to her like that? I can't believe you. To talk to her in such a cruel way. What wrong did she do to you? Tell me.
If you don't take this matter as seriously, no? After that, you will be blaming me only. According to me, I don't think so. It is a big matter at all. Tanga and Appu used to play here always, you know well, no? Because of that relation only, they are very close. She is not Tanga as you're thinking before. Now she is mature, you know? Just shut up. Mummy, don't take this as a silly matter. What she's saying is true. Just say like that, my dear. However, I'm thinking to save everyone. No one is listening to me at all. As a well-wisher, I informed you. After that, it's your wish.
What happened? Tell me, what is it?
Stop there. Hereafter, you don't come here.
Mother,
From your childhood, you have grown on my hands. If you really have any faithfulness, no, never come into my house.
Mother,
Stop your acting, okay? Let my brother live freely at least now. We both are dependent only on him, you know. Don't spoil that. Please come.
Okay. What, mother? I can solve all the problems very easily. You need not worry at all. You tell him to come here.
I never expected this would happen even in my dream, you know.
When I got down to get some cigarettes, the shopkeeper also told me some details.
Oh, when did you come?
Just few minutes before.
What happened? You didn't tell us you were coming.
Some unexpected incidents are happening here. That's why I've come here.
What do you mean? What happened?
Why did Murugan come here and have a fight with you? What's the relationship between you and Tanga?
Oh. Huh. Then two of them actually called you to talk to me. Then let me tell you the truth. I and Tanga love each other. She is my life. I can't live without her for even a minute. I will definitely marry her. I don't want any advice from anyone for this matter.
Can you please tell me why are you both bothered about my daughter's marriage?
She is aged to marry, no? That's why.
May I know what is the reason behind this? Actually, sir, she is working at our house from her childhood days itself. So, we also have a responsibility about making her settle in her life. For so many years, my daughter has been growing in your house. I don't require any more help from you people. To conduct her marriage, we are ready to pay any amount of money, sir. Regarding my daughter's marriage, you people need not worry. That is my own responsibility. I do not require any help from you people for her marriage. Let's go.
Let me tell you one thing. Wherever she is, in whichever corner of the world, I will find her. I will get married to her and I'll bring her to this house. Then I want to see all your faces.
Appu, Appu. My dear,
Huh? Mother?
there is a small request from you.
To me? What are you telling, Mother?
You must not go in front of Appu. You should not see him.
Mother?
I'm thinking you as my own daughter. That is why I'm requesting you. Please leave him and go away from here. If it is by you marrying someone also, you should promise me that you will forget him forever.
That alone is not possible for me. If you want, I'll go somewhere and kill myself.
Don't do that. Never you should do like that. If you die, he also will die. He loves you that much. He deeply loves you. No, dear. No.
Mother, you need not worry at all. Never in my life I will meet your son Appu again.
Please leave my son and go away from here. Never you show your face to him again.
Give that, give that.
Just hold it.
Come. Slowly, slowly.
We have loaded almost everything,
Yeah.
right? Now we have to load something, right?
Why so doubtful, bro? Come, let's have.
Hey, Dumbo, you should be here around. If the cops come, we'll be in trouble. What time do they come for rounds?
11 p.m.
Then be careful.
Hey, just keep quiet, okay? Shh, shh. Come, bro. Come. Hey, just get up. I said get up. Pablo, you sit here, bro.
No, that
Come.
will be...
Bro, just feel at home. This is just like your house. You have complete freedom in this house. So please sit down. Huh. Bro, have your favorite drink. Come on. Tanga, bro has helped us a lot in our business. Give him some fish and chicken. Why are you waiting for? Come on. Just don't stare, okay? Bro, I'll just come now.
Where are you going?
What, bro? Your assistants are working a lot. They need some relaxation. Let me give them a drink.
Hi, people should be like this. You are a nice person.
Tanga, Paul bro is a very important guest today. So you have to take care of him, okay? Ah.
My dear Tangams, don't look so angrily at me. If you love me, I love you back. You sit here and serve me some good food. Nowadays your face looks very dull. You also have one egg.
I don't want egg from you.
Don't say like that. If you don't want, don't eat. But I need this egg.
Eh, da, 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 la, 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 la. Eh, la, 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 da, 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 da. Eh, da, 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 da.
Do you know how much I like you? If you stay with me, I'll make you my queen.
Leave me.
Hi.
I said
What
leave
is
me.
this, Tangam? Now no one is going to come here.
Hey, leave
This
me.
night we got to enjoy an awesome feast. Hi. If you keep screaming like this, he is not going to come. All this we have actually agreed to the terms and conditions before, right? If you stop screaming like this, we can actually enjoy it like this. You got it, right? We can really have a wonderful time. Hi, just chill, Tangams. Hey, here I go.
Get out. I
Hey,
said get out
what
from
is
here.
this? Don't use the knife, Tangams. It'll hurt.
I will cut your head.
Hi, with my head itself, I don't look glamorous. You throw the knife down, Tangams.
I said get out.
Hi, why are you roaring like a tiger?
Bloody get out.
Hi, you don't have to hit me. I am going.
Get lost.
Hi, I said I am going.
Ah,
You just leave me for 2 minutes. Let me finish this.
no need. You can't eat anything. Just get out. I said get
I
out.
said I am going.
Get out. Get lost. Leave this
Hi,
place.
why are you so violent?
Go out. Out. Otherwise I will.
Ow.
I'm really happy today, so all of us have to enjoy. Come on. Let's enjoy.
Hey, stop your bloody merrymaking.
What happened, bro? Tell me.
Your bloody balls. Hey, just unload everything from the truck.
Hey, stay there. Why, bro? What happened?
You're asking me why. You don't talk too much. You give me my money back.
Just tell me what happened, bro.
Then what nonsense is your wife talking?
What did she tell?
That you go and ask her. Our partnership will not work. Now there is no business between you and me.
Please, bro, don't try to play with me. Bro, you just get inside and enjoy. I will enjoy here with our group.
When you guys are singing here, she's asking me why don't you go outside and sit?
Oh, so that's the reason. You guys continue. I will join you guys in a minute. You come, bro.
Yeah. La 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 la.
What happened, bro? Is she not allowing?
All my life so far, a girl has not insulted me. I have not given a chance for that.
You need not worry, bro. I'll make her understand and then I'll come and call you. Tanga, he cheated. That Paul brother cheated us. He's going to stop the business with us, you know that? He's telling me to pay the entire amount with the interest, Tanga. In this position, how can I do that? You tell me. If you go and tell, he may listen to you.
Better than that, I'll share my bed with him.
Tanga, He's helped us lot of times financially for my business. Now suddenly he's asking me back. What can I do? Just try to adjust for some time, Tanga. No one will know. He alone will come and enjoy. Please tell okay for them.
Just move away.
Tanga, you put that knife down, Tanga.
No.
Listen to me, sweetheart. I'm your husband telling you, put the knife down, Tanga.
Don't come near me. I will kill you.
I know that you're not such a brave girl. See what you've done, Tanga. Just see what you've done.
No. I'm really sorry.
Sweetie, you tried to kill me? You're trying to kill me, you bloody bitch! Huh? You don't know who I am! Trying to act with me, bloody bitch! Bloody.
What happened?
You go and enjoy, bro.
Hi, where is this blood from?
I just had a fight with her. You go. La 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 la.
My bike got repaired. Will I get any bus from here?
No, you will not get any vehicle tonight. Tomorrow morning 10 a.m. one bus will come. You can travel in that, okay?
Okay.
Really? What happened?
Oh no! Oh my god! Leave him! No! Come fast! Come fast! See what's happening here! Please help me!
Leave him!
No, don't do anything.
Tanga, what happened? Did you kill him? Did you kill that son of a bitch? Otherwise, I will kill him. I'm happy now. I'm very happy now. Before police come, let's escape from here. Come, let's escape from here. Hey!
Stop talking nonsense!
What, Tanga? Why are you telling like this?
You told me you treat me like a flower when I believed you. Now I lost everything because of you. So now, with my beautiful hands itself, I'm going to kill you.
Please believe me, Tanga. Please believe me.
Escape from here. If you want to live your life, escape from here.
No, Tanga. No, Tanga, I'm your husband. No. Tanga, leave me. Forgive me, Tanga. Forgive me.
I'm sorry, Tanga.